In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this tablet. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Then in this pop-up, to enable location, select Turn on location, and to disable it, click on Close. I will go with Close, so when I click and go back, icons that location of my tablet is off. In order to turn it back on, click on the same, now white icon. You can also go into Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Location section. Lastly, click on this switcher next to Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!